Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Mobile apps to track car maintenance. Number 1, Drivo. Keeping track of your records and expenses related to your vehicle. A fuel efficiency calculator that helps the car owner to save on fuel so that you will know when to gas up. Number 2, Car Maintenance Reminder Light. Send you updates about any future maintenance appointments that you may have. Calculates the earliest maintenance appointment you need to attend to after the last. Number 3, Fuelio, Gas Log and Costs. Fuelio can give you the address and other details of the nearest fuel station as well as the updated fuel prices. It can also gauge your car's fuel efficiency. Number 4, Car Management, Mileage. It records specific parts of your car that has undergone maintenance procedures. The app also has a reminder function, handy when it's time to perform maintenance on essential areas such as the wheels, engine, and braking system. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.